You take a block or what?
Sorry?
You take a block?
What block?
Block. The video.
Lock?
Block. Yeah.
No.
Vlog.
Yes.
Vlog.
So ito guys, meron silang meat. This one is a big meat. Big meat, Abby? You're a big meat. We can buy the steak. What if it will fail? What if it will fail? $3 gone. This one is meat now. Whole meat. So they have chicken.
Want to buy?
You buy red label now. You'll reach 1 week. Yan, bibili siya ng gatas. Kasi mahilig siya sa cornflakes. Cornflakes every morning. We go the other side. You know, I'm doing fasting, water fast. They have chocolates here. I want to buy, but
So which one?
you can choose any one.
Choose. I don't know the one to choose.
All of them have the same price because this one are $3.20. This is the cheapest one. And here, you want pure chocolate, right? And this one are $3.90. Here they have a lot of chocolate.
Socks.
Are you getting that?
I hope it's that one.
I think it's the same. He's getting one.
Let me see.
$5.
Oh, it's big. Where did they get this thing from?
They even have green. This one is pumpkin seeds. See?
Did you buy it?
Egusi.
Where did they get it?
That's why Teacher Beatrice know this place. Maybe she buy it from.
She come here.
She's the one told me that cheaper than 1-in-1. So you see, this one for egusi. This one is 5.75 cents. It's very cheap. Oh.
This one is watermelon.
Gosh, 7.
The other place, I buy is like $6, $3.
And it's half or no?
The other one in 1 or 1.
1-in-1.
It's like $6.
Oh, dried. I like this one. Dried pistachio nuts. The dried pistachio is 32.
So we're getting this.
Okay, show it. He's getting the cashew nuts. So what else? Oh, the milk. No, this one here.
How much is it?
6.
Yeah, this was $6.
Yeah, louder now.
I wanted to shout before. Buying this for 6.
He's getting the milk. So we know already the place where to buy this thing because it's very expensive in that store.
You take a block or what?
Sorry?
You take a block?
What block?
Block. The video.
Block?
Vlog. Yeah.
No.
Vlog.
Yes.
Vlog.
Vlog.
Yeah,
Why
vlog.
do you... So funny. How do you know what you say?
It's a vlog. What's vlog?
Me that you know it, am I not hearing the same thing? Is it not the one I showed you the other time?
With ABC.
This one look like a baby.
So the kids will eat the
Then we can't in A, B, C, see? It's alphabet.
that one.
There's one you buy before that have sugar.
I think that one is better because you don't
need to
need
put sugar.
yeah. This one.
Most phone, I think it's
This one is the one I bought that is very hard. Very hard.
this one too is very hard.
Ah. What about this one? You can try it now. This one you just put milk. You don't really need to put sugar now. You want to get this one?
Unless you want to do it.
Okay, we will get one. Oh, they have cereal Milo. I think, yeah, that one is better. It's almost the same price, Abi. You can take that now.
So we keep the other one.
No, yeah. Change.
Cereal Milo.
Big fan of Milo. This one. This one is a nice one.
Is it Jerry or garlic?
Jerry.
Let's do this. This is Jerry, not Jerry.
Gary. You want only one?
I want to do it.
No, that one is not expensive. You can get two now.
Get one.
We're going up. So now we're going up. Ting. So,
Winning elevator now.
so we're getting this one for our toilet. These ones are plastic already. You can go back the other side with. These ones are plastic. And cat and dog food. Yeah, so these sides are,
Is that
yeah, cat and dog food. Yeah.
so going now?
So here, plates, wine glass. See, when you have things that are color white, you know, it looks very classy.
It's a nice plate.
Very classy and expensive.
Why do so small cups, coffee.
Yeah,
Saving
let's go. Like the side, Avi.
normally white wine.
These are our teapot. Are you not buying this
Only spray.
body spray? Your own finish, Abby?
Stay
Oh, you still have the perfume. You have the green. You don't have the green.
This one is brown.
You're not getting? Okay. So we're going down. Put red. How much is that?
Is it now the other one $14? I'll be 14 something.
Yeah,
The other time I went there, I said, I think that place is more.
Oh, here. Here. See, the big one is 14 already. So,
This one,
I think the cookies and cream.
get the one.
You need plastic bag.
Yes.
Before we going to carry it. Exactly, we need plastic.
I said yes, no.
That's what I'm asking. Are we going to carry it?
You can. Yes. Philippines, you get turned by force.
So where are we going to carry these things? I think.
Yan.
It's 22 the last one.